Alright, so my Zap wallet is fully synced. My one testnet Bitcoin deposit has hit, and Autopilot has already gone ahead and opened 4 Lightning Network channels for me. Now, if I wanted to open one myself, I can hover over to the plus icon in the My Network section and click to open a channel. I can now search the network, so I want to open a channel with htlc.me. So I'll grab their peer address, head back over to Zap, paste it in. Looks like Zap can't find it in its local graph, so I'll connect manually, verify that this looks good, the pub key and the host. That looks good. I'll submit. Now I'm able to select how much funds I would actually like to commit to this channel. So I will do 0.1 testnet Bitcoin. Can also change this to bits or sats if I so please, and hit submit. Now boom, just like that, Zap has started this pending channel. You can see this transaction here. I'll change it back to Bitcoin. Has been sent. I can click this transaction to view it in an Explorer. Right now it's unconfirmed. And now I just wait as all of these channels are pending. I can click in and view details like the amount of Bitcoin on local side, the amount of Bitcoin on the remote side of the channel. I can click this link to view the funding transaction in an Explorer. And as soon as all of these channels are open, then I'll be able to transact and make payments and receive payments on the Lightning Network. So as soon as these channels confirm, I will start a new video and check back in with you all then.